In this video, I am going to show you how to install WordPress in Cpanel, in less than a minute. Step 1. Log in to Cpanel. Once you are logged in, you will see a screen similar to the picture below. Step 2. Scroll down until you see Softaculous Apps Installer. Step 3. Click on the WordPress icon. Now click on the Install button. On the next screen, enter the domain name you wish to install WordPress on. Please make sure HTTPS is selected. Remember to take note of the admin username and password, as you may need it later in the admin dashboard. Once you are done, scroll down to the bottom until you see the Install button, and click on it. You may leave the rest of the options as the default values, as they can be changed later. After clicking on the Install button, the installation will start. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be installed. When installation is complete, you will see the following message. Now you can access both the admin dashboard and the website by clicking on the links shown above. You have now installed your blog with just a few clicks. Hope you find this tutorial useful. If you want to install your blog in Cpanel, click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel.